Guys, hi, my name is Mike and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first YouTube video, and in this video I'll be simply showing you how you can check if an object is fully immersed in another object, and we can try to check if it's also partially immersed. So guys, I have a simple thing set up here. I have a box and I also have a sphere, guys. So we'll be using this sphere to check if it is completely immersed in this box, guys. So on my box here I have a box collider as a component which is set to trigger, and also on my sphere I have a sphere collider which trigger is set to false by default, and also as a rigid body component. You can just for this setup turning off use gravity so my sphere would fall when I enter play. So guys, I have a simple script here. So guys, this script is what we attach to our cube cube object, and it will be checking for this sphere. Sorry about that, guys. So the first thing we need to do is reference to the collider on our box game object. So we say collider, say you can name it anything, col, yes, just do that. So we're going to declare a new method, void on trigger state. Make sure you write it as I've written it, so you won't make any mistakes. So just say collider order. So what this method simply does is it checks if the box has another collider interacting with it. So trigger state means that interacting collider is standing right on our box collider. Sorry for so we need to check. We have several colliders in our scene. So we need to declare a tag to check what kind of object is interacting with us. So we say if oh my god, if order, that is the collider that is interacting with our box, which is the sphere, if order dot tag is equals to anything, probably let's say player. So then we've checked if the other collider interaction with our box is what we want to register. Then we check if it is fully immersed in our box. So we say if what is happening, if so there's something called bounds in Unity. So it just represents like the edges of a collider. So for our box we say if the col of this the bounds contains the other bounds maximum, and at the same time that means the maximum point of the other collider if it is contained in the collider of the box, like the maximum point of the sphere is contained in the collider of the box, and at the same time if col.bounds contains the minimum point other bounds minimum point that is interacting with us, then we want to print object is fully immersed. I spelled that right? Yes, I think so. So yes. So guys, we just go save this and okay, else object is not fully immersed. So this is to check if object is partially immersed. So we run straight back to Unity and it compiles. Then we check if we have a working script, guys. So wait for it. Okay. So nice, the cube has our test script. So we fit to console to check. So we just press the play button to check it out. Okay. So boom. So we try to move ours. So you can see the spear is tagged player. Don't forget to change your tag or put another tag if you don't want to use my tag. So we try to move this into it. Oh, we have an error. Unity ended up collider or what's happening? Number 24. Oh, sorry, Ash. My bad. Sorry. So cool. Ash goes to get component. Ash, I forgot. Get component collider. Ash, sorry. So this is just to get reference to this to the cross collider. Ash, okay. Sorry, my bad. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I think I'm taking much time than planned. So sorry about that. Come on. Sorry about it. I didn't even notice. So clear this and take this one more time, the last time. So just wait for it to load up and okay, perfect. Then as you can see, we've not fully inserted the object. Now it's telling us it is partially immersed. You can see it, guys. So when I put it inside completely, it said the object is fully immersed. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Then I try to move it up. I start getting it's partially immersed. Can you see, guys? Even if you collapse it, you can see partially immersed. So I put back inside, tells me it is fully immersed. So guys, that's it for this video. And if you like the video, don't forget to if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want me to take you on any other thing, don't forget to just put it down in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you guys. So peace out, guys, and I will see you in the next video.